Suppose you are working for a marketing company. Someday, your boss has given you a huge amount of survey data like this and told that you have to sort out and represent the whole data in a table as per company's requirement within a very few minutes. So, what kind of data your company needs from this huge database for their marketing purpose? So, let's see. The company asks you to find out the total sales of Big Bazaar, or it can say how many countries are there in the world where Amazon is operating. Even your company may ask you find out the types of product and how much amount of their quantity Flipkart is selling. So, what is the best possible solution for every single requirement of your company? Besides all of this, you have to remember that only very few minutes are in your hand. Otherwise, your boss can lose his patience upon you. So, here is the solution. You can do all of this using a single option. That is pivot table. So let's start. Here I have already taken some data to finish the video in a very short time. So I have already taken it. So here you can see a list of huge amount of data. It's very difficult to find out the exact scenario for each of the company. Suppose your boss asks you to find out the countries, the total countries, how much countries are there in this table. Or he can ask you what kind of products are listed here. Or he can ask you find the total amount of sale price or find the gross sale of every individual company. So they may ask you various things. Your company may ask you various things. So what to do or how to calculate? Yes, it's very easy. It's very easy to calculate and it's very easy to find out what is exactly happening in this table. Just using one option, that is the pivot table. So how to do it? Just click anywhere in this table. Don't click outside the table. I mean here. Don't click. Just click inside any portion inside of your table and go to the Insert tab. Then click on the pivot table. After clicking on pivot table, a create pivot table window is generated. So first option says that select a table or range. So here you can see that automatically it detects a range, that is sheet 1 A1 to G500. So what it actually means? Just close it and go to the table. You see that A1 means column A, row 1, that is A1, and go to the end of your table. There you can find the last number of the row is 500 and the last column is G. So the range is A1 to G500. That's clear? So now go to the pivot table and see here, that is the provided range that already automatically select. Now this option is used for the external data source. If you want to import some data or if you want to import some sheet, external data sheet, then you can click here, you can choose here and you may establish the connection with the data sheet. Now as I have already taken the data in this sheet, so therefore I have chosen this option. Here you can see that this is the new worksheet option. Another thing is the existing worksheet option. So what it means? It means when I click OK, then it will generate the pivot table. The pivot table may generate in two ways. It may generate in this sheet or another sheet. So if you choose the new worksheet option, it will generate in a new sheet. And if you choose the existing worksheet option, then pivot table is generated in this sheet. So when I choose the new worksheet, it will be very much easier for you to understand what the pivot table actually is and how it works. So I have chosen the new worksheet. Now click OK. Let's see. This is our sheet 1. Sheet 1 contains the table and sheet 2 contains the pivot table structure. One thing you can see that when I click any portion rather than this, then this window will be vanished. Just click here and this window will be vanished. So if you want to see this window again, then click here pivot table option. Then the window will appear again. Yes, the window will appear. So now you can see that the total columns, 7 columns are there in your table. And here the list of columns are same as it is your table contains. Company, country, product, unit sold, manufacturing price, sale price and gross sales. That's it. So if you want how much company are enlisted in your table, then click here. Then see the total list of companies, it will automatically fetched here. These are the total enlisted company in your table. So if you want to see the total country, how many countries are there in your table, just click on the country. Then see, there are total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 countries are there in your list. And if you want to know what kind of product they sold, then click on the product. You see that you have chosen country and product. That is why the pivot table shows the country list as well as the product items. Now, if you want to see the total units sold for the every company, just click on the company and then click on the units sold. Then see the company name and the sum of units they sold. So it's very simple. So you have to think about one issue, that is, suppose if I want to modify my table, just go to sheet 1. Then suppose you want to modify electronics to mobile accessories. Then go to find and select option, choose the replace option. Suppose I want to change the electronics with mobiles. Find what? Then we choose electronics and replace with mobile. So replace all. All done and 64 replacements are completed. So click OK. Now close it. So in this table, I have alternated the electronics using mobile. Go to the sheet 2. Now you can see, suppose if I click the product option, then it is showing that electronics option is still there. So what to do now? Just to refresh this table, then the problem will solve. So go to the option Analyze. Here you can see the refresh option. Then click on the refresh. Then you can see after clicking on refresh, the table will be updated. Then click on refresh. See, the table is updated and mobile option is here. So it's very simple things to do. Suppose you mistakenly click here, close this thing mistakenly. So what you should do now? Don't worry. Go to the analyze option. Then click on the feed list. Then the window automatically appears. That's it. It's nothing else. You can try by yourself. So have a good day and stay home, stay safe.